Why do animals run away from red color?
Elephant coming close, wild animal, hyenas coming, like that.
Elephant inside the bag.
So the ashes are dry, so they'll transfer it. Everything.
This one wraps together. It makes the fish.
Why do animals run away from red color?
The reason why we do wear red color, first of all, Maasai, they wear mostly red color. We don't have pink color, we don't have orange, we don't have purple, but all of us we classify under red. Okay?
Under red. Okay, you don't.
Reason why while we are looking after our cows in dark forest, the red color can scare away wild animal because they can see when we are far. Okay, so when the lion see it red, it senses danger.
It senses danger.
So they run away from us. So that's the meaning of it. Even here at night, you know, walking, we have elephant coming close, wild animal, hyenas coming, like that.
Elephant inside the bag. So how do you stop them?
We stop them. Sometimes we make big bonfire. We light bonfire, and also we have dogs. When they bark, they don't come inside. Dogs.
Now getting inside the Manyata. Asante. Nakuja tu. Na ni kubwa ndani.
Yes, I have a seat here.
Thank you. This is the sitting room.
Yeah, this is a sitting room.
Okay.
And this is a guest room as well.
All right.
And there's a bed of my boys. They look very small when you look from outside, but when you come inside, it's too bigger. And this is the middle where we do kitchen. And this I work with the ladies to make the house. Maasai main food, we have a cow blood, cow milk, and also meat from sheep and goat. And in the village as well, we have a medicine man and a medicine woman. And we do treat through the natural herbal. If you are man sick, you can see the medicine man. And the woman, medicine woman. And when a baby born, we have a midwife as well. We don't go to any hospital when you get a birth. We do that in the village. We go to look for one lion. If you don't kill a lion, you'd never get married. So you have to kill a male lion, and then you come back home, you shave the hair, you become a father of son. That's allowed to marry now. My daddy is who makes this copper. This copper is good for the bone stronger and for any arthritic disease. And the lion teeth, the necklaces here, select good luck. This is protection of luck.
The sign of good luck.
This is, yes, that's a lion teeth, canine. And choose something I like. Actually, we're gonna appreciate and we sell it. Yeah, the money that we get for this, we buy food for our children.
Naitwa Fred. Naishi hapa Manyata. Kama unataka kuja pale Manyata, ya kuona culture, how you make the fire, mali tunaishi, unaweza nitafuta tu kwa hiyo namba 07 16 69 74 44. Takupeleka Manyata, ataenda kuona mingi. So thank you.